I was inspired to put up a lending. The name was GA Lending Investor. My husband saw that in the Katipunan Bank, releases of teacher's loan takes 2 to 3 months. Because in whole Zamboanga del Norte, the year 1988, only Katipunan Bank released loans to teachers. So my late husband went to Cebu for a registration of GA Lending Investor in the year 1988. So when they were in GA Lending, the loans could be released immediately.
Ako ang first male employee sa Alano Sons na hire ni Ma'am Kim kay one man ka lang mawandok mo na siya laki sa una god kay ang original is puro bayi.
When I left my first job, a member of the management team there told me there is no perfect company.
Yes, it's true.
But I always believe that there's always a better one.
And Alano and Sons Credit is one of those.
So wala jud laing nga nakita nga company nga para sa kuha maka-satisfy sa kuha as an empleyado.
You should love your employees, treat them well. All the time, I look at the employees as the greatest asset of a corporation. You can borrow money, but you cannot borrow employees.
It's been fortunate to work in a culture that challenged me,
Supported me and make me feel valued.
Yung 5 years limit ko sana here in the company, it turned out na super extended pala, and I'm still here, 20 years still kicking.
And I'm truly grateful I've stayed.
My philosophy in business is to channel employment, to give benefits to employees, and to give low interest so that our customers can benefit from the loans.
So nabigla ako dahil sa ganung halaga, ganun lang kaliit na interes.
kaya naisipan ko kagad na magtatayo na lang ng maliit na negosyo. One word to describe the company culture of Alano and Sons is family, because we support each other through successes and challenges.
When we get inside the office with smiling faces,
you will be given an utmost greeting and gratitude.
Happy kayo silang makakita sa kuwa ng Lord. Welcome kaayo ka diri nga Credit Corporation.
What sets us apart is our strong foundation in values, our integrity, excellence, and a genuine care for our clients and people, our team members. We don't just run a business, we build relationships.
One time, nga naingon ang pensioner, ma'am, buutan kayo ka. Gingnan ko niya, nga maka-proud kaayo.
We have valuable trainings here for both personal and professional growth.
The company has molded me, mentored me, pushed me beyond my comfort zone.
Evolving with the times and continuing to serve with integrity.
I've learned a lot from the people I work with.
You should maintain integrity in yourself and in our business.
We listen deeply and compassionately, offering support to our clients in their challenges.
My doctor delivered a premature son in which
we need a big amount of money. Siguro dili na siguro mabuhik kung sa uban to, kung wala pa to gitagaan kung first pag-visit na ko diri.
Kung gitsaningan hi Bibi Alano. Hey,
siya man ang first na naghatag ang Alano money para pandaw na ko sa Maayo Hospital.
At Alano & Sons, we are committed to delivering exceptional customer service to our clients, inspired by the guiding principle of our Chairman Emeritus Bienvenida T. Alano, kung gusto nato ang atong mga kliyente. We go beyond fulfilling financial needs of our clients.
Proud jud ko nga nahimo ang Alano & Sons nga part
sa kalampusan o success sa akong mga anak o sa among pamilya.
Wala pa ni aso ko padulong, walay magtabang sa amo, wala tanan. Dito ko napatunayan na ito ay instrumento na pinadala ng Diyos, itong kumpanyang ito, upang ang mga tao na naghahangad na umunlad sa buhay ay matutulungan. Maraming salamat, Alano & Sons.
I express thanks to our clients who build our dreams, who make things come true, and for making us the dominating player in Mindanao.
Being transparent, one ay pinaka-number one, not just to employees, but also to our clients.
But more than the accomplishments, it's the people behind. Yes, it's the entire Alano & Sons team that made this journey truly a meaningful one.
Kabalo magpahimutang as in happy and enjoy kaay ko sa akong life.
Tungod sa Alano, nakabalay ko.
To the success of Alano & Sons, I thank all employees, especially the pioneering employees and all of them who helped the business to become what it is today.
Celebrating 37 years in service.
Across Visayas and Mindanao,
Alano & Sons Lapu-Lapu branch! Yo! From the land of beauty and bounty, Alano & Sons Film Corporation, Dalam branch! Woo!
Together! Happy 37th anniversary Alano & Sons Credit!
37 years is strong.
a legacy renewed.
A future reimagined. Supporting families and dreams
37 years and beyond.